Samsung fans are excited about the design performance and camera capabilities of the next Galaxy S25 Ultra, which is expected to be introduced in a few months. On the other hand, consumers expecting big improvements in battery capacity and charging speed may be disappointed. Samsung has not made any significant advancements in this area over the last 5 years, and the Galaxy S25 Ultra is predicted to have a 5000 mAh battery with 45-watt rapid charging, according to Samsung Universe, a trustworthy source for leaks about Samsung products. Though some may find this lack of advancement discouraging, it's important to remember that Samsung's Chinese rivals have already started outfitting their flagship handsets with bigger batteries, ranging from 5200 to 6000 mAh. A 6000 mAh battery, for example, is rumored to be included in the Oppo Find X7 Ultra, which is expected to be released next year. It is expected that Samsung may reevaluate its strategy going forward due to the industry's trend towards larger battery capacity. Because of the device's rumored 8.4mm compact profile, the Galaxy S25 Ultra chose to remain with a 5000 mAh battery, keeping the sleek form intact while allowing for the amazing camera configuration and interior parts. Because of the fine balance that manufacturers must maintain between innovation and practicality in smartphone design, some customers may be disappointed that Samsung chose form factor above battery capacity. Its anticipated camera setup is a 200-megapixel main sensor, a 3x zoom lens, and a 5x periscope telephoto lens. This arrangement is fairly similar to that of the Galaxy S24 Ultra, though it is unclear what will be included as a fourth lens and whether Samsung will increase the megapixel count of zoom lenses in comparison to its predecessor. The future Find X8 Ultra, which is rumored to be slimmer and have a bigger battery than the current X7 Ultra flagship, might, however, surpass Samsung in this area as well next year. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra may still be thicker than the Galaxy S25 Ultra, but this may not be a disadvantage given the impressive camera setup of the Oppo Find flagships, which now include 2 optical periscope zoom lenses. This is especially true if the device also has a bigger battery. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.